Hello guys, take a look at these healthy guava plants in our garden. As you can see, the trees are full of fresh and beautiful guava fruits. Today we are showing you how to pick ripe guava properly. First, we gently check the fruit with our hands. If the guava feels slightly soft and smells sweet, it is ready to pick. Now we carefully pluck the fruit from the tree. Look how fresh and juicy this guava is. Guava is not only delicious but also very healthy. It is rich in vitamin C. It helps to boost our immune system. Guava improve digestion. It is very good for stomach health. It contains a high amount of fiber. Fiber is also good for heart health. Eating one guava daily is a healthy habit. These are flaxseed plants growing fresh and healthy in the field. Flaxseed plants are small but very beneficial for health. Look at these orange plants growing in our garden. The trees are full of beautiful and juicy oranges. These fresh oranges are very healthy and beneficial. These are fennel plants growing fresh in the garden. Fennel seeds are very useful for digestion and stomach health. Fennel also help is improve immunity and overall wellness.